So over the Valentine's weekend, I was out of town. Well, Valentine's week, beginning of the week. Valentine's Day was Tuesday. Is that really a weekend? No, it's not. Whatever. I was out of town with Gabby, my girlfriend, at EB Rocks MD2 over on Twitch. She does a lot of playing Magic the Gathering and RPG Maker stuff. So we were going around town. We went to one of the retro game stores called Game Over, and I picked up a battery for a Game Boy because I have a Game Boy. I have this old Game Boy, and it doesn't work. It's been dead. The battery hasn't been holding a charge, like doesn't power on, and that's because the battery is slightly bloated. So I got a battery, and I got a new charger because I can't find my charger. So yeah, let's crack this open, try to fix it. As we can see, my desk has some figures on it because I had plans to film another video with the miniatures. But for now, let's fix this Game Boy. Comes with a tiny little screwdriver. Well, that's weird. There's not a battery in there. I think I might have removed the battery a while ago and cleaned out. Well, that ruins the surprise of, oh no, the battery's in there and it's all bloated when there's no battery at all. So let's just install a new battery. See if it has any charge. Has a little bit of charge. Turn this off again. And here we have it, the new charger. Let's get this plugged in really fast. That's a really tight fit. As we can see, it's charging up now. Let's see if I have a cartridge lying around. I have a copy of Advance Wars right here. Okay, it's powered up. Powered on. Brightness work? Barely. But yeah, see, it works now. I don't know where the bloated battery went. I know there was a bloated battery in this one. We can see slightly where the back of the casing was a bit bubbled outward, like a bit bent. But now it has a new battery in it, and yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video where I swapped out the Game Boy's battery, showed the process, and was like, hey, it works. And now we can just play some Advance Wars. Whoa, I didn't know there was a link mode for it. I know that they're re-releasing this for the Switch or something, but hey, Game Boy works. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Next video will probably be more of maybe something more minis, or I don't know yet. There's a couple other projects I'm working on. I need to finish up the Star vs. Evil wand. There's another project I'm working on with a friend. Not gonna talk a lot about that one yet because that's still in planning. And there's a few other projects I want to get to, but not gonna talk about them yet. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and have a good day.